In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split invoice payment in Akaunting. If a customer pays only part of an invoice today and plans to settle the rest later, Akaunting makes it simple to record that accurately. Here's how to enter a partial payment so your records stay clean and the remaining balance is easy to track. First, open your invoices list. In the left navigation menu, go to Sales, then choose Invoices. This brings up all your invoices, along with their statuses and balances. Take a quick look at the balance column so you can spot the one that isn't fully paid yet. Next, click the invoice that still has an amount due to open its details. You'll see the full invoice information, including the total, what's been paid so far, and what's left. This is the best place to make sure you're working with the right document before you record any money received. On the invoice screen, find the Get Paid section and choose Add Payment. This is where you tell Akaunting what came in and where it went. You'll enter a few key pieces of information. For date, pick the day you actually received the money, not necessarily the day you're entering it. For account, choose the bank or cash account that the payment was deposited into so your cash balances stay accurate. For amount, type only the portion the customer paid now. For example, if the invoice total is $10,000 and the customer sent $4,000, enter $4,000 here. Finally, select the payment method, such as cash or bank transfer, so you can filter and report on how payments arrive. Before saving, take a moment to double-check the numbers and the account. Using the correct date and account will make reconciliation and reporting much smoother later. When everything looks good, click Save. The invoice will update to show that it's partial, meaning it isn't fully paid yet. You'll also see the remaining balance automatically recalculated. When the customer pays more later, come back to the same invoice, choose Add Payment again, and repeat the process with the new amount and date until the balance reaches zero. At that point, Akaunting will mark the invoice as paid. That's all there is to it. By entering partial payments this way, you keep your receivables accurate, know exactly what's still owed, and maintain a clear audit trail for every deposit.